it is much easier to rehab a turnkey property than it is to rehab a fix and flip, your typical retail property. The reason being, with our turnkey properties, everything is very, very standardized. Like, we're making very few decisions. If we're doing roof, it's always the same roof that we're putting. If we're doing flooring, if we're doing, your plumbing, your electric, your HVAC, everything is exactly the same. The paint, everything is exactly the same, because we're not selling it to a homeowner, where a homeowner is not coming in and looking at our property against, 5 other properties on the market and going based on the design. With turnkey properties, we're not listing them, we're renting them out and then selling to an investor. All they want to make sure is that the property is functional, then, and all the foundational and mechanical things have been taken care of. So it makes our rehab process very, very, very simple. And that's one of the primary reasons, I think I mentioned in the last call or the call before that I live in California. My entire business is in Indiana, and my project manager, she actually also lives in California, 1 hour north of me, and she's able to manage all our projects. One of the primary reason being that we're doing a lot of turnkey properties and not as many retail flips. So we don't really have any decisions to make. It's as far as the product or finishes are concerned, we go in, the toilet, light fixtures, flooring, paint color, roofing, windows, everything is already decided. We have a list. All our contractor needs to know is if we're doing it as a retail or if you're doing it as a turnkey. If it's a turnkey, the contractor knows exactly what needs to go into the house. It's not even a conversation down to your doorknobs and everything, hinges, everything is already decided with that.